my company, my dad, Eric Mitchell. And today I'll be playing Concerto for Oboe and Orchestra by David Whyte.
sound register for a little bit, I'd actually like to hear some of it again from the beginning. Do me a favor and raise your stand up a little bit
You
more.
got it.
Is it a little, let's try it, it's blocking out. Oh, you got it. And if you can face it into the piano a little bit, and then swing yourself out.
Like here?
Yep, so like there. So raising it up, your head was having to do that, and that can cut off your air. So we want some lovely airflow. You've got a strong diaphragm to hear it on as you use your crescendo. And by standing this way, I get a nice view, and I can see what you're doing, and the sound will carry towards me, and you can have great communication with your pianist as well. I would just, at the beginning, if you could, when you start, concentrate on keeping towards the tip of the reed, and really think cushion all around the reed. You want like a drawstring bag that just got pulled, and you've got cushion on top, bottom, and sides, and that'll really help round out your sound. You've got great technique. Your fingers know where to go. So at your leisure, let's